శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 823rd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 40th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Paramasiva talking to Arjuna like this, Arjuna, now I am going to give you my Pasupatastra, but you should never use this on who has very less power. Also, this Pasupatastra can be shooted by your manas or your vision or your word speech, or you can put this arrow in your bow and shoot it. Like that, when Paramasiva said, Arjuna immediately got purified and sat over there like a disciple and saying that, Oh Visvesvara, please teach me Pasupatastra. Then Paramasiva, he taught Pasupatastra. Just as and how Pasupatastra was there with Paramesvara earlier, now that is with Pandava Shrestha Arjuna. Then Arjuna felt very happy, and when Pasupatastram is with Arjuna, when Arjuna got this Pasupatastram, the entire earth got shaken, and there comes so many divine auspicious sounds from everywhere. Now that Astram taking a manifestation, standing right next to Arjuna, all the Devatas and Danavas are witnessing that. Then Sprushtasya Triyambakenadha Phalgunasya Amitaujasa Etkinchit Asubham Dehe Tatsarvam Nasamiyavat. Then Trayambaka, Paramasiva, touched Arjuna's body. With that touch, whatever the inauspiciousness was there in Arjuna's body earlier, now all that got destroyed. Then Paramasiva ordering Arjuna like, Swargam Gaccheti, you go to Swargalokam. Then Arjuna did Namaskaram Pranamya Sirasarajan. He did Namaskaram to Paramasiva and looking at Paramasiva. Then Paramasiva, the one who is the master of all the Devatas, the one who conquered all the sensory organs, the one who is most intellect, the one who is the resident of Kailasagiri, the one who is the husband of Uma. Such Paramasiva gave Gandiva Mahadhanus to Arjuna. And then, while Arjuna is looking, Paramasiva, who has associated with Uma Devi, left from that mountain and gone into space. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart, Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.